unfolding a little bit better. So for example here, okay. Okay, so after the step here, I actually go into white, pure white. Okay, so I'm gonna start applying the white. Okay, so the white, it's not the concentrated, so you can dilute just a little bit, but remember, they are not very diluted. Okay, so again, I go after the more obvious place. The concentrated white, I will come in after I finish brushing this white color. Okay, so after I've done this step here, now I would actually brush a little bit of concentrated white now. Okay, so sometimes you see me touch up a few other area. Basically, these are choice, okay? Okay, so now I'm using concentrated white. Okay, so now I'm repeating it again. But when I repeat different location, not necessarily the same white as I just did. Okay, so explanation to you, it's like first you use the white that's diluted a little bit, and the reason is because if you go thick right away, that white become like it's just stuck onto the flower. It doesn't melt into the petal. So that's why you use diluted a little bit to do it. Okay, and then concentrated that way. That's the concentrated white would give more highlight to this picture here. Okay, so while you guys so I'm waiting for you guys before I do the stamen. Okay, so this is just because it's same. So okay, so I'm gonna just right beside here and do a flower bud using the same method, and you can see when I do it, I no longer looking. I just create my own. Okay, so obviously if it's a flower bud, when you coat it with a green, you will coat it with a vine brush because it's smaller in size. Okay, and a little bit more blue-green. Okay, then I'll come back with pure white. Okay, so now concentrate the white. Okay, so you can see the flower bud is very fast. Okay, so that's why I say that, like once you know how to do this profile, you can combine them. Okay, so now I look at the time. I got 7 minutes, so I'm gonna go into the stamen. This time here, I will make it go outside of my petal. Okay, so outside my petal, so I'm gonna put it up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then they're gonna join it together. So obviously, if I use a little bit more orangey color, it will show up better. Okay. And again, we need a bit of white. But we need a lot of these orangey yellow color. Okay, so this is how can be done.
You 一定要叫 Claire show into the class.
Oh, okay, wait, Linda, hold on, okay? We're just gonna have a closer look.
Oops, we missed it.
Okay, Linda, can you show us again? Because I didn't have a close-up look. The flower seems to be small, that's why. Okay.